Hey, everyone, today we're going to make a delicious and easy one-pot pasta recipe. For this recipe, you'll need some spaghetti, cherry tomatoes, garlic, basil, chicken broth, and Parmesan cheese. First, let's start by adding the spaghetti to a large pot. Then, add the cherry tomatoes, garlic, and some torn basil leaves to the pot. Pour in enough chicken broth to cover the ingredients and season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the pot with a lid. Let the pasta cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the pasta is cooked through and most of the liquid has been absorbed. Once the pasta is cooked, turn off the heat and stir in some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give the pasta a good stir until the cheese is melted and everything is well combined. Finally, garnish the pasta with some fresh basil leaves and additional grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. And there you have it, a delicious and easy one-pot pasta that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.